We hear.
Where's Ricky?
Oh, there's Freddie.
What do we
right here.
Thanks, guys.
Good job, buddy. Sort of. Yeah.
There you go, guys.
You're not there yet.
You're alive. That's all that matters.
You're alive. I was absolutely freezing, so I ran down here.
Oh, it's cold. It's so cold.
Go, Rasa! Hello. My hands are shaking. It's Wobbledy.
You got this, girl.
You're almost there. Where?
Give me your shirt and I'll finish this.
Okay.
Give me your shirt.
A new shirt.
Oh, no shirt.
Where'd you? It's not almost over.
Thanks, right? Yeah.
No me cambiaron.
Yeah.
It's super easy. Don't worry. It's so easy. It's not easy. Oh, you made it look easy. Oh my gosh. That was a good one. It's very slippery. Just hold on.
You got it, honey.
It's cold. Molly's out. Felicia's out. Rosa, your face! Rosa! Everybody's out. All right, slide. Wow. It's not easy. Oh, you gotta go over, you cheater. Rosa! Como la chakra. Last one, Felicia.
Oh, yeah, don't let your cheers. Yes. Yes. Got it.
I can't see.
You did it, babe.
Rosa! Michaela! Se terminó! This is so cold.
Yeah. Yay!
No, it's not warm. No. Car wash.
I don't like it.
It's better than the mud.
I don't like it. I don't like it. No.
3 hours later.
How do you feel?
I fell in the shower when I got home.
Oh no. Oh no. You're here though.
I am.
You're here.
I feel super tired, but that was super fun and like the best shower ever.
It was, wasn't it?
Yes. 10 out of 10 would do again.
Awesome. How you feeling, Ricky?
Fantastic.
You feeling good?
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Honestly, this was fun.
It was good fun time, wasn't it?
Dude, I like the rope wall. That's my favorite part of the monkey bars.
Yeah.
That was dope.
That's right.
So, yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel great. Just sleepy.
I'm tired. It was tough, but it was a fun time.